Okay, so I have now coated the wrenches in the Paragon paint. Now we have to apply heat. Let's see what happens. Be careful because of the wire. It has obviously a lower melting point than the wrench itself, so you don't want that to break and drop. Obviously in the middle here it's not a problem, but when you get to near there where the wire is attached, it can be a problem. We're getting there. Takes a little while. And it's converting now, as you can see. And it may require a little application of a wire brush or maybe some steel wool. We will see. Now they're getting a really good coating, so we're going to see how that works out. If it works out like crap, I'll let you know, I promise, so you can say that's not the way I want to do it. It's looking pretty good at the moment. Move on to the next wrench, which is a much bigger, thicker wrench. Don't worry about the drips, they'll just burn off. As I said, could be done in an oven. I'm choosing not to. This is something you might want to fast forward through. It's going to take some time. Takes a while for the heat to get in there and make these wrenches look as good as they should. Perfection takes time, guys, as I'm sure you're aware. Sorry, this is probably going to take some time, and I'm not going to stop the camera, so you might want to fast forward. Okay, I have now torched them all. Sorry if the light is not very good here. Didn't bring the light with me. I'm going to give those a half an hour or so to cool down, and then I'll show you the result. Hopefully it will be good. All right, here they are after the treatment. This, as you're all aware, is not a genuine one. It's a replica, so I'm going to have to live with that. This is the unoriginal. So is this and this. Now, perfection? No. But they look pretty good. I've now coated them and they're not looking terrible. They have a nice coating on them, and as you can see, they look pretty darn good. It's a wrench. What the fuck do you want? That's the way I look at it. It's going to sit in the toolbox, and I will probably never ever look at it again. I do have to say that my my buddy over in Austria is sending me the appropriate, correct toolbox. This is what happens when you have good friends and people that understand your passion, and they are not in it for the money. He is sending me the wooden toolbox for my Mark II. The one I have is plastic, which is good, but it's not correct. He's sending me the wooden one. You can't ask for better friends than that. You really can't. So, when it arrives, I will put my wrenches in there, and I do still need to get one more wrench. Not sure what size it is, but I'll figure that out. And then do a video on that. This is why you build up good relationships with people. And to any of you that have not watched his videos, Dave, he is, I don't know how to describe him. He's an old fart, like me. And he has a great channel. And that channel is... Okay, that was a teaser. Classic Car Cave. Check him out. Lots of interesting stuff. Jaguar stuff. And all sorts of other shit that you cannot believe this guy gets up to. And he is a wealth of knowledge. If you have a question regarding Jaguars, and how to do shit, he's your man.